You have taken hundreds of screenshots on your Mac, maybe thousands, and almost every one of them went to your desktop, piled up, unnamed. Your Mac has a complete screenshot system, a way to save full web pages, a tool to redact private information before you share anything, screen recording, notation, magnification. One piece of it is where most people stop, but today we cover all of it. First, we fix the clutter problem. Most Mac users have a desktop covered in screenshots, hundreds of images, no names, no folders, no order. Today, two things will fix this permanently. First, the toolbar in your dock. Most people press Command-Shift-5 to open the screenshot toolbar, but there's a simpler way. Go to Applications on your Mac and look for a Screenshot app. Now simply drag it to your dock. From now on, you just click on it and you access the entire screenshot toolbar. Every capture option right there. Second, we fix the location, where screenshots are saved by default. And once this is set up, screenshots stop feeling like clutter and start feeling useful. I have a dedicated folder named Screen Recordings placed on my desktop. You may have similar name or different on desktop, under Documents, in any other directory. Every few days, I check this folder. I either keep or redirect what I need, and rest I delete. From now on, you have access to full screenshots menu with one tap. Your desktop stays clean, screenshots stays organized, and both actions barely took us about 40 seconds to set up. You find something online, a receipt, an article, a prize, a booking confirmation. You want to save it, not just the link, the actual content. On an iPhone or iPad, you can take a scrolling screenshot. Just choose full page, and there it is. By the way, if you have an iPad, taking a screenshot with that Apple Pencil is pretty satisfying. You simply swipe it across the screen from left side bottom corner and that captures it. On a Mac, it works differently. In fact, what you can do on your Mac is more than a screenshot. In Safari, open any web page. Go to the file and click on Export as PDF. This rendered the entire web page, every section, every image, every word. Not a screenshot of what fits your Mac screen. It's a permanent record of the entire page. This can be one of the most important things in the video if you ever share screenshots with anyone. How many times have you taken a screenshot and somewhere in it there is a piece of information you did not mean to share? An email address, an account number, a phone number. Your Mac has a built-in tool for this. So take any screenshot and click on the thumbnail. At the top, click on this tab. This is Markup Editor. And it has built-in tools which are very powerful, and a lot of people have never accessed them, like shapes, arrows, text, color. But two tools stand out, and that's what we're going to talk about in this video. The magnifier. You can draw a circle on any part of your screenshot. That area is shown enlarged inside the circle, like a zoom lens on the image. Perfect for pointing to a specific button, a menu option, a detail you want to focus and others might miss it. And second one is the Redact tool. Draw a permanent black bar over any piece of information in that screenshot you do not wish to share with other people. A password, an email address, an account number, anything. By the way, one thing I must tell you, once you apply it and save it, it is irreversible. So apply it with caution. This one is for anyone who has ever tried to explain something on a Mac to a family member or a colleague over the phone. You know the situation and they are on their Mac. You're trying to describe what to look for, what to click on, which menu to open. From now on, record it instead. Click on a screenshot icon in the dock, or if you are a keyboard guy, then press Command-Shift number 5 and click on this tab to record entire screen. Walk through exactly what you want to show, every click, every menu, every step. And once done, either you can press Command, Control, Escape, or you're going to see a tiny square dot in a circle in menu bar. You click on it and that will stop the recording. Send it to them and now they watch it as many times they want. Or if you want to record a specific window, there is a tab. You can click on it. While you have multiple windows open, multiple apps open, you click on any one of them and it will only record that specific window. Or click on Next tab to record selected portion of the screen. You get this crosshair, you drag it to any way you want and record only selected portion of the screen, nothing outside it. Additionally, click on Options and you get to customize multiple settings here. You can set a timer here, 5 seconds or 10 seconds, and that applies to screenshots as well as screen recordings. Further, you can also select a microphone for voiceover. And at the bottom, click on Show Mouse Clicks. This makes mouse clicks visible on the screen. Easy to follow. Now you have a full screen recording system ready. For anyone who prefers keyboard shortcuts more, your Mac has 4 screenshot modes, accessible from the keyboard. And yes, some of these are a few keys at once. 2 of these keys on your keyboard are always the same, Shift and Command. Third key changes based on what you capture. Command Shift number 3, full screen capture. Command Shift number 4, a crosshair, drag over anything, only that area captures. Again, Command Shift number 4, but this time add space. That crosshair becomes a camera. Now click any window and just only that window gets captured. Clean edges, no drag needed. And the one that saves directly to your clipboard, no file saved on your Mac, hold Control with any of those shortcuts. No file is saved, the screenshot goes straight to your clipboard. Now paste it directly into an email, a message, a document. One more thing from the shortcuts, the shadow. When you click a window to capture it, the screenshot includes a drop shadow. If you hold Option while you click, no shadow. Clean flat image. One extra key, I know that. The screenshot app in your dock, so the toolbar is only one click away. Your saved location set to a dedicated folder, so nothing clutters your desktop again. The full web page saved as a PDF. The Redact tool, so nothing private leaves your Mac by any accident. Screen recording with voice to show somebody what you want them to see, no phone call or manual instructions needed. And yes, 4 shortcut modes when you need more speed. One piece of this is what most people find. And now you have it all. Anyways, this is pretty much it in this video. If you're ready to step up, here's the next video for you. And before you click on it, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe Crazy Editors for future tech tips, tricks, and solutions. Until next time, you take care of yourself and I will see you in the next one.